Have you ever had a friend ask you to get coffee, but you were just too busy? You want to go, but you can't go right now. This is a common struggle for English learners. Today, we will learn a special phrase for this situation. Take a rain check. Understanding this idiom will help you be polite and keep your friendship strong. Imagine your friend says, "Hey, do you want to go for a walk?" You really want to, but you have a big project to finish. You don't want to just say no because that might sound rude. This is the perfect time to use our idiom. Let's look at a funny mistake. Meet Ken. Ken is learning English. One day, his neighbor said, "I'm having a party tonight. Want to come?" Ken was tired, so he said, "Can I take a rain check?" The next day, it started to rain. Ken walked to his neighbor's house and handed him a piece of paper. He had written the word rain on a check from his bank. He thought a rain check was a literal check you give someone when it rains. How awkward. So what does it actually mean? To take a rain check means to politely say no to an invitation for now, but suggest doing it at a later time. It shows you are still interested, but you just can't make it today. It is a very polite way to reschedule. This phrase comes from American baseball in the 1800s. Back then, if it rained and the game was canceled, fans were very upset because they lost their money. Teams needed a way to keep fans happy without giving cash back. In 1883, baseball teams started giving fans a special ticket called a rain check. This ticket allowed fans to come back for a different game for free. It was a promise that they could enjoy the game another day. Now, let's see the correct way to use it. Sarah's friend asks, "Do you want to go to the movies tonight?" Sarah has to study for a big test. She says, "I'd love to see that movie, but I have to study. Can I take a rain check?" Her friend smiles and says, "Sure, let's go next Friday instead." Sarah used the idiom perfectly. She declined the offer, but she made sure her friend knew she still wanted to hang out later. No one's feelings were hurt. Let's look at some examples. Example 1. "I'm too tired for dinner tonight. Can I take a rain check?" This means the person is too tired today, but they want to have dinner with you on a different day. Example 2. "Thanks for the invite to the gym. I'll take a rain check though." Here the person is busy or not ready to exercise right now, but they are open to going to the gym with you in the future. How can you remember this? Think of a baseball ticket on a rainy day. It's not a no forever, it's just a later. You can even imagine a little cloud over a calendar. Rain today means a fun plan for another day. Here is a fun fact. In American culture, being direct can sometimes feel rude. Using "take a rain check" is a way to be soft and kind. It reflects the value of maintaining good relationships even when you are busy. In the mid-1900s, stores started using this too. If a sale item was sold out, they gave customers a rain check so they could buy it at the sale price later. Today, we mostly use it for social plans and invitations. There are some similar sayings. Rain on my parade means to ruin someone's plans. Put it on ice means to delay something. And hold that thought means you want to continue a conversation later. Opposite phrases include right now, which means doing it immediately. No way is a very strong and sometimes rude way to say no. And carpe diem means seize the day or do it while you can. Related idioms include rain or shine, which means something will happen no matter what. Right as rain means feeling very healthy, and save for a rainy day means saving money for the future. Watch out for common mistakes. Many learners say, "Give a rain check." Usually, the person declining the offer says, "I'll take a rain check." You are the one taking the promise of a future date. Try to remember, you take the ticket. Also, don't use this for very serious things like a wedding or a job interview. It is for casual plans like lunch or a walk. If you say it for a wedding, it might sound like you don't care. Use it for friends and family. Time for a quick quiz. What does take a rain check mean? Is it A, to check the weather, B, to reschedule for later, or C, to give someone money? Think about it for a second. If you chose B, you are correct. It means to reschedule for later. Great job. Remember, it's all about being polite and staying connected with your friends. Let's recap. Take a rain check is a polite way to say no for now. It started in baseball and is best for casual plans. Using it will make your English sound more natural, and your friends will appreciate your politeness. Now it's your turn. Have you ever had to take a rain check? Share your stories in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.